Hello and welcome to another video. This is the third video in a series of eBay unpackings for minidiscs that I bought around about April or May, all within about a week of each other. And I'm only just getting around to opening them and uploading them to YouTube. So these, I think, are a little bit less usual than the ones I usually buy. It doesn't really tell us anything, does it? So, all the rubber band is between those. These were used, no cases, I think, as well. How do you get into this? There we go. I've never seen any mini discs of this type. So they're TDK Fine Minidiscs, opened and never used. And what I thought this was a design on the mini disc itself, but it's not. That's actually a label that's been stuck on. It was a bit hard to see from the eBay pictures. But the odd thing is, normally the label would be inside this indentation. So quite why the label is that big, I don't know. Let's have a look at the other ones to see if there's any more clues. So that's a yellow one. See if they match up, how they're lined up. So do you know, is it that these have been, labels have been added by the manufacturer? I don't think it is, because that one's higher up than this one. These do look more unique. Now, that's weird because this one is darker. And this one is different. This is a Music Jack 80. So, right, do you know that I think is screen printed onto there? So that Music Jack doesn't belong with the rest of them, but that is screen printed onto there, and it's screen printed all the way up. These feel like paper, but they might not be. Now if you did stick a regular size label in there, you'd get half of the Minidisc logo popping outside the label. So do you know, are these, do these come with these labels on them? Or is this something the guy has put on? I'm not going to try and peel one off. But this one doesn't belong in this set, I think, because all those are clear. And I've seen these TDK Fine ones without the label and they're clear all over. And this one is a darker one. So that's worth looking into. So as always, I'd welcome any comments. If you know what's what with these, let me know, because I'd like to find out. That's it, third of a series of short videos. So thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more videos, and leave a like and a comment, and check the description for links to other videos that relate to this, and also other links about the channel. Thanks very much. Bye.